Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Resident Evil Requiem and your game is stuck on black screen, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Resident Evil 9 stuck on black screen easily. So first what you're going to do is you're going to go on to your Resident Evil games folder. So the default location should be in your C drive, program file 86, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then Resident Evil Requiem. Now what you're going to do is you're going to delete the Resident Evil 9 exe file. Don't worry, we're going to re-download it once we're done. So just delete this file from here. Afterwards, you're going to open Steam up. You're going to go into Resident Evil 9 here, click Properties, and then click Install Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. When you click onto it, it will re-download that Resident Evil 9 exe that we just deleted. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and update your graphic card's drivers. So just open up your browser. I'll show you Intel first. Afterwards, I'll show you AMD and NVIDIA. Go on to intel.com. And now what you're going to do is you're going to click on to Support here. Click Download Center. Click on to Graphics. Search for your graphics card here, Intel Arc A380. Download the latest graphics drivers. Once you're done with that, I'll show you AMD now. Go on to amd.com, click Resources and Support, click Drivers, scroll down, select your graphics card, and then select Submit. Select the operating system, download AMD Adrenalin here. Now I'll show you NVIDIA. You're going to go into Drivers here. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form. Click Find. It will find the correct GeForce Game Ready driver for you. Once it's done, you're going to download the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. After that, you're going to install it, and then you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, now what you're going to do is you're going to try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will now launch. You will not be stuck on that black screen anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.